Hey everyone, if you've ever found yourself staring at two columns of data in Excel, just knowing something's off but not wanting to check every single line, well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a trick that finds every mismatch in your data in, and I mean this, literally 1 second. Let's do this.
I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? You've got two lists that are supposed to be identical, but you just have that feeling that somewhere a number is wrong. Going through it manually is not only slow and super tedious, but it's also so easy to miss something. Trust me, there is a much, much better way.
Okay, so let's use a really common real-world example to see this in action. A simple inventory check. You've got your official inventory record from the system, right? And then you have the brand new numbers from a physical stock count. Your job? Find every single thing that doesn't match up.
So here's what that data looks like. On the left, we've got the inventory record from our system. On the right, the new stock count that just came in. You know, at a quick glance, they look pretty much the same. But I promise you, there are mistakes hiding in there. The real question is, how do we find them without wasting our entire afternoon?
Now, the official word for what we're doing here is reconciliation. It sounds a little fancy, I know, but all it really means is making sure two sets of numbers actually agree with each other. It's all about hunting down those pesky little differences.
Right, so the main point of reconciliation is all about two things: accuracy and agreement. Our goal isn't just to glance at the data, it's to verify it and be able to pinpoint exactly where things just don't add up. And this is the magic moment. The solution to this whole problem isn't some crazy complex formula or a 10-step process. Nope. It is a ridiculously simple keyboard shortcut that takes, well, just a second. Okay, here it is. It's basically a two-step dance. Step 1, you select all the data you want to compare. In our case, that's both columns of our inventory numbers. And then, for step 2, the magic part, you just press Ctrl and the / key. That is literally it. So, you've hit the magic buttons. What happens now? Well, this is the best part. This is where Excel does all the hard work for you, instantly, and just gives you a super clear visual answer. And boom! Just like that, look what happened. The instant you press Ctrl /, Excel automatically highlights every single row where the numbers don't match. No formulas to write, no manual checking. Just an immediate visual, here are your problems. So let's actually look at what it found. For item 104, the record said we should have 3, but the new count only found 1. And for item 107, the system thought we had 14, but the physical count was only 8. We found both of our errors in a flash.
Now, you might be thinking to yourself, wait, aren't there other ways to do this in Excel? And you'd be absolutely right, there are. But this little shortcut has a huge advantage in certain situations.
For example, you could totally use a function like VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is awesome. It's super powerful, but it requires you to sit down and actually write a formula. This shortcut, though, this is for those quick, on-the-fly checks. It is the perfect tool when you just need a fast answer without having to build out a whole new formula. And that right there is really the main takeaway. Being efficient in Excel isn't always about using the biggest, most powerful function. Sometimes it's about using the fastest and simplest tool that gets the job done. And for a quick data comparison, this shortcut is an absolute game changer. So, that leaves us with a final thought, doesn't it? This one little shortcut can save you so much time and so many headaches. It just goes to show you, sometimes the simplest tricks are the most powerful ones hiding in plain sight. Now go give it a try.